Hold on to your hats, crypto enthusiasts. The buzz is building as traditional finance continues to embrace the digital asset revolution. The latest spark igniting excitement in the crypto sphere. News that investment giant VanEck has taken a significant step towards launching an Avalanche ETF. Yes, you heard that right. A dedicated exchange-traded fund focused on the popular Avalanche AVAX blockchain might be closer than you think. Let's dive into what this exciting development means for AVAX, the broader crypto market, and you, the crypto-curious investor. What's the big deal about an Avalanche ETF registration in Delaware? So what exactly happened? According to records on the state of Delaware's official website, a new entity named VanEck Avalanche ETF was officially registered on March 10th. While this might seem like a simple administrative step, it's actually a crucial early move in the complex process of launching an ETF. Think of it as laying the foundation for a skyscraper. You need a solid base before you can build upwards. This registration in Delaware signifies VanEck's serious intent to bring an Avalanche ETF to the market. Delaware is a popular state for business incorporation due to its business-friendly laws, making it a logical choice for this initial step. Why Avalanche? Understanding the appeal of AVAX, why is VanEck a major player in the ETF space? Focusing on Avalanche? Avalanche has emerged as a formidable contender in the blockchain world, often touted as a faster and more scalable alternative to Ethereum. Let's break down why AVAX is gaining traction. Speed and scalability. Avalanche boasts incredibly fast transaction speeds and high throughput, addressing some of the key limitations of earlier blockchain networks. This makes it ideal for decentralized applications and decentralized finance. Low transaction fees. Compared to networks like Ethereum, Avalanche offers significantly lower transaction fees, making it more accessible and cost-effective for users. Eco-friendly. Avalanche is designed to be energy efficient, appealing to environmentally conscious investors and users. Growing ecosystem. The Avalanche ecosystem is rapidly expanding, with a growing number of DeFi projects, NFTs, and other applications being built on the platform. Institutional interest. Avalanche has been attracting increasing institutional interest due to its technical capabilities and growing adoption. These factors combined make AVAX a compelling asset for potential investment, and VanEck's move to create an ETF suggests they see significant long-term potential in the Avalanche ecosystem. The benefits of an Avalanche ETF. Why should you care? So why is an Avalanche ETF such a big deal? ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, offer a familiar and regulated way for investors to gain exposure to an asset class without directly holding the underlying assets. Here's why an AVAX ETF could be a game changer. Increased accessibility. An ETF makes investing in Avalanche accessible to a much wider range of investors, including those who may be hesitant to navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. Familiar investment vehicle. ETFs are traded on traditional stock exchanges, making them easy to buy and sell through brokerage accounts that many investors already use. Regulation and security. ETFs operate within a regulated framework, offering investors a level of security and oversight that may be lacking in the direct cryptocurrency market. Diversification. An AVAX ETF can provide diversification to investment portfolios, especially for those looking to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market without holding individual digital assets. Potential price impact. The launch of an Avalanche ETF could potentially drive demand for AVAX, potentially leading to price appreciation as institutional and retail investors allocate capital to the ETF. Challenges and the road ahead for VanEck's ETF registration. While the ETF registration in Delaware is a positive step, it's important to remember that the journey to launching an actual Avalanche ETF is still ongoing. Several hurdles remain. SEC approval. The most significant hurdle is securing approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC has been cautious about approving cryptocurrency ETFs, particularly those focused on single assets like AVAX. The regulatory landscape for crypto ETFs is still evolving. Custodial solutions. VanEck needs to establish secure and compliant custodial solutions for holding the underlying AVAX tokens for the ETF market volatility. The inherent volatility of the the cryptocurrency market can pose challenges for ETF issuers and investors. Risk management and investor education will be crucial. Competition. The ETF market is competitive. VanEck will need to differentiate its Avalanche ETF and effectively market it to investors. Despite these challenges, VanEck's track record in the ETF space and the growing institutional interest in crypto suggest a reasonable chance of success. The registration in Delaware is a clear indication of their commitment to pushing forward with this initiative. Actionable insights. What does this mean for you? So what should you, as a crypto enthusiast or potential investor, take away from this news? Monitor developments. Keep an eye on news and updates regarding VanEck's Avalanche ETF application and the SEC's response. This is a developing story, and further progress will be closely watched by the crypto community. Research Avalanche. AVAX. If you're not already familiar with Avalanche, now is a good time to dive deeper into its technology, ecosystem, and potential. Understanding the fundamentals of AVAX will help you assess the potential of an AVAX ETF. Consider ETF benefits and risks. Educate yourself about the benefits and risks of investing in cryptocurrency ETFs. While they offer accessibility and regulation, they also come with fees and are subject to market fluctuations. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency and ETF landscape is constantly evolving. Stay informed about regulatory developments, market trends, and new investment opportunities. Conclusion. A significant step towards mainstream AVAX adoption, VanEck's registration of an Avalanche ETF in Delaware is undoubtedly a significant and exciting development for the cryptocurrency space, particularly for the Avalanche ecosystem. It signals growing institutional interest in AVAX and represents a major step towards making this innovative blockchain more accessible to mainstream investors. While regulatory hurdles and market volatility remain, this move underscores the increasing maturity of the crypto market and the ongoing integration of digital assets into traditional finance. The journey to a fully launched Avalanche ETF is still ahead, but the foundation has been laid and the crypto world is watching with anticipation.